Good evening, everybody. Today, I welcome you all for the subject of signal systems, where the topic is basics of signals, which is my fifth lecturing sessions. This coming under VTU syllabus, under fourth semester EC, for fourth semester EC students under module 1. This can also be studied by any other students, right? Any other students, anybody, any other branch, they may be TC, AAA, IT, whoever interested in signal processing, because today's world is signal processing, and today's world is mobile actually, that mobile signals or radio signals or whatever the signals, which is today's world is signals actually, right? Those who are interested in BE, ME, PhD, right, signal processing areas, projects and all, everything, right, or signal processing as core domain in companies or a gate or anybody, who can refer all my lecturing hour of this signal system subjects, right. Here I have uploaded almost 74 videos. Go to our college website. There you type just Dr. Basuraj C in YouTube. You will get all these videos. You can refer, right, for your subjects, signal system subjects, these subjects, right. Now last class we have covered, right, basics of signals, what is signals, types of signals, and then operations on signals we covered, right. Basic operations, whatever the operations, what are all the basic operations, we can do it on dependent variable and independent variable we have seen. Now let me solve one problem, right, using basic operations. Let me solve a problem using all these basic operations which we taught yesterday and previous sessions, and let us sketch the waveform, final waveforms, right, using all these operations. Let me show you, right, through one problem. For example, for the step signals, let me show. Sketch the following waveform signals, that is x of t is equal to minus u of t plus 3. This is actually, the amplitude is minus 1. Minus 1 is the amplitude, right? Amplitude operations, amplitude scaling operations we are using. For the signals u of t plus 3. T plus 3 is advanced. I am using both now operations of, right, time shifting operations here and the amplitude scaling, right? For example, if you remember previous sessions, right, minus 1 is for amplitude shifting actually operations, and u of t plus 3 is signal is advanced by 3, right. This is time shift property, right. For the, this is independent variable, this is dependent variable, plus similarly 2 is the amplitude scaling, u of t plus 1, right. T plus 1 is time shift by advanced shift by 1 second. Then minus u of t minus 1, again amplitude shifting is there, amplitude scaling is there, then time shift property is there, plus u of t minus 3. This is delayed signals. This is the question asking. Now to solve this, first write the given. First, very simple, write the given. X of t is equal to minus u of t plus 3 plus 2 into u of t plus 1 minus 2u into t minus 1 plus u of t minus 3. Let us write this as x1t. x1t is equal to 4 waveforms I want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me split this as x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4. That's what I am writing. x1t is equal to minus 1 into u of t plus 3. x2t as 2 into u of t plus 1 advanced by 3, advanced by 1. Then x3t is equal to minus 2 into u of t minus 1, delayed by 1 second. Then lastly, it is x4t is nothing but delayed by 3 seconds. Now let me plot one by one. 2 steps we are having. Now if it gives like this, any big expressions, 2 steps. First write graphically 1, 2, 3, 4 graphs. Then mathematically explain how these graphs are plotted. Finally combine x of t. Finally combine everything and write x of t. That's all, 3 steps. First, let me draw all the graphs, x1t. What is x1t? x1t is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is there. Into u of t plus 3. Plot that x1t versus t when you plot. What is this? U of t is there, no? That is advanced by 3. See this? 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds it is advanced by 3 seconds. And its amplitude is minus 1. That's what? Minus 1. And it starts from minus 3. It goes towards right side. Right? Because u of t plus 3. Right? Next. Similarly, second one. This is x1t. Drawing is over. Similarly, x2t is 2 into u of t. See this? This full signal is amplitude scaling which is having as 2. Right? 2. And it's advanced by 1. See this? It starts from minus 1. Advanced signals. Right? Instead of 0, it starts from 1 second early. And with an amplitude of 2. That is 2. x1t is over. x2t is over. Similarly, third one. Very, very simple. x3t is equal to minus 2 is the amplitude. Minus 2 is the amplitude. And it is delayed signal. This is not advanced signal. This is delayed by 1 second. Now see, it starts 1 second delayed. I am using time shift property and amplitude scaling property. Okay. Scaling operation and time shifting operations. Right? See this? Delayed by 1 second and with an amplitude of minus 2. Like this. Similarly, last one. x4t is equal to u of t minus 3. x4t is equal to its delayed time shifted. Right, delayed by 3 seconds. Now see, it starts from 3 seconds, right? It goes towards this with an amplitude of 1. It's not given 1. By default, amplitude is 1. Like this, we have to draw first. That is the first step. Whatever it gives 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Split into x1t, x2t, x3t, x4t. Then draw all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mathematically explain how that is. For example, finally, x of t is obtained as x of t is equal to what is given x1t, x2t, x3t, x4t. Now start from, see for example mathematically for t less than minus 3, go to the, see all 4 graphs, where it starts from negative end you just see. See, here it starts from minus 3, from negative end, here it starts from minus 1, here it starts from plus 1, here it starts from plus 3. Start from the negative most end. What is that negative most end there? That is minus 3. T less than minus 3, t less than minus 3, t less than minus 3, anything is there? Nothing is there. Therefore, for a signals t less than minus 3, x1t, x20 is 0, x2t is 0, x3t is 0, x4t is 0. Therefore, x of t is equal to all are 0. T less than minus 3. Now, next is t greater than minus 3 and t less than minus 1. See, for example, see the graph and do, right? T less than minus, greater than minus 3, let us say. What is next signal starts? Next signal starts at minus 1. T less than minus 1, T greater than minus 1. From this side, T from this side to this side, right? What happened? The rest is, it is started here only. Therefore, what I am saying, T greater than minus 3 and less than minus 1, your value is x1t is minus 1. See this? x1t is t from here to here. What is the value? x1t value is minus 1. That's why minus 1 I am writing minus 1. x2t is x2t, x3t and all. See this? x2t, for example. Any x2t exists here? Less than this? Nothing. 0. Then any here x2, 3t? Nothing. From minus 1 to plus 1. From here to here? Nothing. Here to here? Nothing. Here to here nothing, right? Therefore see this here, this is minus 1, this x2t is equal to x3t is equal to x4t is 0. Therefore x of t is equal to minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Therefore also you plot final values also. For example, minus 3 onwards nothing is there final. X of t minus 3 nothing is there. X of t is equal to, between minus 3 to minus 1, what is the value? Its value is minus 1, just know that. Between minus 3 to minus 1, its value is minus 1. Therefore, I am writing here, see minus 3 to minus 1, its value as minus 1. Now, minus 1 to 1 I want. See, for example, here only you go. Right, next is t greater than minus 1, less than 1, plus 1. See how I am selecting? Here, see this? Up to here over. greater than minus 1. See here, next starts from minus 1 and next one starts from plus 1. Minus 1 to 1 I want. Then what will happen? Minus 1 to 1. See this t greater than minus 1 less than 1. We get x1t is minus 1. x2t is 2. See this x2t. Minus 1 to 1. Now what is the value? See for example. Minus 1 to 1. What is the value here? Minus 1 to plus 1. Here. What is the value? It is 2. Therefore x2t is 2. See this? x2t is, in this case, x2t is 2. Right? x3t and x4t are zeros. Right? You will not get anything. Therefore x of t is equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore, I am writing here, see, minus 1 to 1, its value is 1. See this? Its value is 1. Therefore, next is 1 to t greater than 1 and less than 3. Last page. T greater than 1 here, greater than 1 and less than, next signal is 3. Greater than 1, t less than 3. What happened? Here see, last case, we get x1t as minus 1, x2t as 2, x3t as minus 2. See this? x3t as minus 2. See this? x3t between from here to here, its value is minus 2. See this? That is why I am writing this as minus 2. Then x4t is 0. Therefore, x of t is equal to minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 0. This gets cancels, you will get minus 1. Therefore, see this in the graph, between t 1 to 3 its value is 1. Right. Lastly, what is that? T greater than 3. For example, t greater than 3. T greater than 3 means what actually? See this? T greater than this side, nothing is there. T greater than this thing, only this is there. Right? Therefore, t greater than 3, what's the answer? T greater than 3, we get x1t as minus 1, first one, x2t as 2, x3t as minus 2, x4t as 1. See this? x4t is 1. Greater than, t greater than 3, right? x4t value is 1. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Therefore, the answer is, see this, minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Minus gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, you will get answer as 0. Therefore, see, t greater than 3 onwards its value is 0. Therefore, the full waveform is this one. Therefore, finally, the output waveform is, see now, for example, t less than minus 3 its value is 0. T less than minus 3 its value is 0. Next is t greater than minus 3 and less than minus 1. What is the value you got? T greater than minus 3 less than minus 1, its value is minus 1. See that? Minus 1, minus 1. Then between from here to here, what is the value? That is t greater than minus 1 and less than 1, its value is 1. That's what I plotted. Minus 1 to 1, its value is 1. And next is t greater than 1 and less than 3, its value is minus 1. See this? From t greater than 1 to minus 1, its value is 1. Therefore, lastly, t greater than 3, its value is 0. See this? 0. That's all. This is how you can solve any problem. Finally, you will get this waveform plotted. Using all operations, he will give you one big expressions like this. Now use all the basic operations, which is, now I have used, see this amplitude shifting I have used, advanced shift I have used, and amplitude shift, advanced shift, addition operations I have used, subtractions operations I have used, in the end addition operations used. Using all that sketch, how do you quickly let me write, first write the given, then split that as x1t, x2t, x3t, x4t, then draw all x1t starts from advanced 3, here advanced 1, then with an amplitude 2, with an amplitude of minus 1, then lastly x3t is with an amplitude of minus 2 and it is delayed by 1 second, starts 1 second, it is delayed by 3 seconds with an amplitude of 1, then finally mathematical expressions you write t less than minus 3 watt, minus 3 to minus 1 watt, and minus 1 to 1 watt, then 1 to 3 watt, then finally t greater than 3 watt, then draw same time. Right? This is how you get final expressions for right final output sketch you will get using all these operations. Right, I hope I'm clear. In the next class, I'm going to do the same with a ramp functions. Let me take one ramp signals, all instead of step, let me do it for ramp. Right, exactly how how to solve the problem using all these basic operations, we'll see. Before that, right, let me say thank you for patience listening. And again, let me end with one quote, beautiful quote. Right, let me read out. Always you should not study for job seeking only. All of you, right, don't study only for the purpose of job seeking only. Right. Instead, you should study more to give jobs. Instead, you study for job givers. Who can you give jobs to everyone in this world? Instead, be a job givers. Right. Right. You want to be like that. If you want to be like that, what you should do? Like that, if you want to give jobs, what you should do? You should study more, think more, act more, then people will appreciate you. Not by just studying half an hour daily. No, you can't do anything. Please study more and think in that direction. Help the world. Right. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.